All right. I think I don't think this will fall off.
No, it will fall off.
Okay,
No,
cool.
no.
That keeps my belly cold.
Okay. Hey, whatever you like, man. You're the guest.
You're the guest here. You're the guest here, so
That's right.
whatever you want.
That's right. Exactly. We aim to please.
All right, sir.
Your aim would be appreciated. Yeah.
Well, all right. We switched bikes. I'm back on Gandalf, and what Mr. Sam Smith said, Gandalf's a pretty cool bike. What do you think, there, Sam?
That's exactly right. It's it's like you don't judge a book by its cover. You don't judge a scooter by the way it looks. You ride it, and it's a super bike. It's now coming off of this, which I'm sitting really low and got a lot of weight down below me. It's very, to me, I'm comfortable with this, and I'm locked into it with my backrest. Gandalf's, I sit a little higher and I sit more upright, and my feet are more under me, and so it's a little different. It's really more maneuverable is what it is.
But that's just because of the low center of gravity.
Yeah. Oh, good. We got to have a green light here, Dave. This will be unusual here, I think. All right. Well, we will. No, it's going to take a while. But anyway, yeah, it's really a nice bike. It's got great brakes. Okay, hit your button one more time on the outside. Hit the one thing.
The jog dial, honey.
I can't reach it. Grab it. Hold on. Okay, yeah, we'll do it at Mom's. Huh? Hold on. Really this way.
I'll watch the light.
Yeah, it's green still.
I'll watch the light.
We'll see if it picks you up now in just a second. Give it a second.
Did you bump it twice or just?
No, I just bumped. There we go.
Yeah, I got it.
There we go.
All right. We got a green. Really, we got a green too.
All
right. Yeah, but to go on about Gandalf again, it's a really cool bike. The brakes are very effective. Of course, I didn't get going really any speed, but it was very comfortable. I didn't have any trouble transitioning to the left because the thing about it is when I stop, I always pull in the clutch anyway. So, and I don't jerk it. So, it worked all right for the brake. It worked great.
Oh, good. It's got dual front disc brakes on it.
Oh, yeah.
And then the disc brake in the back.
It's very impressive. It's a very impressive. I like how it decelerates too. It gives you back pressure.
Yeah, it's engine braking.
Yeah, I like that a lot. You got a cool scoot there, bud.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yep.
And like I was telling him before, Mr. Sam Smith has had the honor, no, the privilege of being the first other human that has ridden Gandalf the White.
And I really appreciate it. A thousand thank yous. And it was really worth. I can die now. I really can. It's all over. Nothing more.
Well, I have asked other people, and
right?
some people just have a quirk about riding other people's bikes, which I can understand that. I mean,
Absolutely.
I asked Harley Trek to do that, but he was adamant about not riding other people's bikes, which I understand.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
So
I mean, if you've ever borrowed a car or anything like that from somebody and wreck it, dink it, or something like that, you know that it can happen, and it's a horrible feeling because you've torn up your friend's bike or his car or whatever it happens to be.
Exactly.
But it's I appreciate you letting me ride it. It was really nice, and I hope you enjoyed the Spider. I hope it was nice too.
I did. It's just like I told you before. It's just very, very strange.
Right, we're gonna have to go over to the right here if we can, Dave.
Or you can go to the next turn.
Oh, we'll go here.
We'll
follow you, babe.
Sam says it's like riding a four-wheeler.
Yeah, I mean, to me, it's more like if you've ever ridden a four-wheeler. It's to me, it's more like that. You almost feel like you got to steer it from the back, with the throttle.
Yeah.
Kick it around and stuff like that. But you can't do that with a Spider. It won't let you do that. But it's like I said, it's all steering with your arms. You can lean everywhere you want to, but it doesn't make any difference to the bike.
Well, because I don't think that I was very well centered on the three position.
Yeah.
Because I was on the upper part of the seat, it felt unstable a little bit, but I knew why.
Right.
And if I would have went down where my butt's supposed to be, I just couldn't do it because of this left knee.
Yeah, because of your leg. I understand completely. But I think it's maybe something to consider. Yeah. Maybe something to consider when you're ready.
Yeah.
But if you can't make this light, we'll be waiting for you. But you're behind me. Good. We'll
Yeah.
make it. We'll make it.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's I like it. I probably
There we go.
won't. Yeah, I probably won't buy one of these. But
You probably won't buy one at all. I'm the one who's going to buy it for you.
That's right. That's right. Thank you for reminding me. I probably won't buy another one of those.
Blinker, Sam.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. But like I said, I like the F3. It's the foot position is more like this. It's out in front of you. You sit lower, and even the Riker I think would be okay for the kind of riding I do now, which is pretty much short duration.
Mm-hmm.
You know? But
well, I carry so much stuff in my saddlebags. I have to have one that has, bags on it.
Yeah, a lot of storage. Yeah, Riker wouldn't work for that.
Yeah.
The F3 you can get. It's got almost as much bags as the Spider has on it. It just doesn't have as big a frunk in the front that the others do.
I'm going to run this food in. I'll be right out.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, Dave. I should have warned you. That's a little off camera there.
That's all right. We made it.
Yep. Yeah, she's just going to run in here real quick.
Meals on Wheels.
Yeah. This is where I rode Grandma, was on this little driveway around in here. And she really liked it. Yeah, meals on 3 wheels.
Yeah, meals on 3 wheels.
That's it. All right.
By the Bodacious Biker Mama or whatever.
Yeah.
What I forgot now what it was.
Bodacious Babe.
Yeah, Bodacious Babe.
Yeah, how about that? A mom that makes her kids call her that. Isn't that crazy?
Me, they're talking about me.
Yes, we're talking about you, honey. You know what they say, we're not laughing at you, we're laughing in your general direction.
Right.
Yeah.
I like it. I thought that was great. Bodacious Babe.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Loved that.
Yeah, that's funny.
I guess we'll just haven't got. Well, of course, Sharon's not going to ride or anything else, but
Yeah.
she's just been referred to on my videos as Mrs. Cowboy. So.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I wonder if she'd ride behind Susan. Maybe. I mean, if she sat on that in that back seat and felt that it doesn't lean.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe she'd think it was more like the sofa at home or something.
Well, she said that, well, if I ever got a trike or something, that she would ride, but I know her for 30-something years. She'll ride it one time.
Yeah.
And then when she pulls that helmet off and get that helmet hair, that's it. It's done.
Do they make a helmet that's open on the top?
That'd be sort of counterproductive on that one, I think.
Yeah, you've seen the visors that have the hair that sticks up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what Susan wants to get for me. But I don't know. It's just crazy. I guess I could cut this thing off. I don't need to keep the whole neighborhood rattling and rumbling.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
But she'll be right out. She just her mom's probably
She's asleep.
Oh, is she? Okay, I didn't put my watch back on. But so she's asleep, so she'll be right back out.
Hey, you want to do the Jeopardy theme while she listens?
Da, 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 da.
Bless her heart.
Yeah.